Hi guys, welcome back to day 2 of 12 days of planning. In this video, I am putting together my Christmas planner, my Christmas journal. I am doing all the things. This is gonna be so much fun. I've never, ever done one of these, but I found the most neutral cover that I own. And tricked ya, there's actually flamingos on it. But what I'm going to do is have this as the front cover, and then I'm actually going to have it flipped this way. So when I like take pictures in it, this black and white will be showing. And I may even flip this around when I take pictures, so that is showing. So you know, I don't have any holiday covers, so I'm making use of what I have. The discs that I'm going to use are all of my red and white ones. So I am on fire here. All right. Now, what goes inside is my 2 different Christmas extension packs that I have. So here is a brand new one that I have. I have not opened it. I've barely even looked at it at all. And this is the one that I've had for maybe 2 or 3 years now. So I'm trying to decide if I want to have the old one first or the new one first. I think I want to have the new one first. I mean, come on, it's new, you know? The dividers in this is so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put both of them in here, and then we'll get started. Okay, so it comes with some stickers. It seems like these are like from the new, I think this came out first though. So I guess the Christmas sticker book that came out this year is, you know, they go together. But the thing is, these colors are a lot more muted. So either they were running out of ink, which I highly doubt, or it's just different colors. First thing I want to do, now that they're all in there, before I start flipping through, is on this like kind of open area, out of this bright sticker book, I'm gonna pull this red out, and I want to label this. So because this cover is so plain, I wanted to jazz it up just a little bit, but the thing is, with stickers, I didn't want there to be any sticky residue. So I wanted to use washi because washi comes off really easily. So that is what I wanted. That's how I wanted to label it. Then I also have this washi book, and this was from 2018. And there are lots of things in here that I could use. And they're all made of washi. So I thought it would be good if I could do that. That'll be it. Okay, so that's the front cover. Now, I'm gonna look through this for the first time. So the first section is menu. This divider is so cute. Holiday menu planning. So I am not a baker or a cooker or anything. You know, I cook from time to time, but you know, I'm not crazy about it. Holiday recipes. I'd like to give my mom one of these and have her write out some of her things that she likes to make so that I can have it for years to come. So I'm gonna bring this when I go back home for Christmas and have her fill out like maybe 2 or 3 of them so then I can have it, you know, for later. This, I think, is my favorite. This is my favorite font. That's so cute. Holiday party planner. Look at that. So holiday party planner. So cute. Love the polka dots. Okay, so this is a really good sheet of paper for different things that I want to do. So that is all party. Yeah, they're all repeats. This is so cute. This is so darn cute. Okay, cards. So we will definitely send out Christmas cards whenever we, you know, start having a family and stuff. So I don't have that, I won't have that filled out, but I do like it. Gifts. I always like this part. This is the person, what I'm gonna get, where to get it, and purchase or wrapped. Okay, and then stocking stuffers is in the back. So it's pretty similar to the other one that's gonna be behind it. I wonder if I should put them all together, like put all the stocking stuffers, you know, like the ones that I have back here. Yeah, so like stocking stuffers. Wonder if I should put them all together. I don't know. Maybe as the season goes on, I'll see what I want to do. Here's memories. Favorite memories. Look at that. That is so adorable. Feeling merry and bright. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at this? Favorite memories. Oh my gosh. Holiday traditions. I had no idea that this was in here. Look at this. Well, wow. I am thoroughly surprised. I had no idea. Here's a lot of note paper, which is great for other things that I'm going to be doing during this 12 days of planning. And the last part is cookie exchange. Look at this. That's so cute. Oh, here's alternatives. Alternatives to sugar, alternatives to white flour, alternatives to eggs, and alternatives to oil and butter. Rules for a cookie exchange. Here's voting ideas. Look at that. I need to get what? Baking ingredients and party supplies. Okay. So anyways, the other ones that I have in here is menu, party, cookie exchange, memories, notes, and cards and gifts. So this memories has favorite memories and then favorite memories. I love this. Favorite memories. Here's holiday traditions. So some similarities, but also really, really different, which is great. There is all of that put together. Okay, so this is day 2, but on day 1, if you did not already watch, I made this shopping list, and I could put it with gifts, but I also feel like for right now, I really need to have this up at the front because this is like pretty important. I really need to get all of my shopping done. And stuff like that. And then I'll keep track of my budget. Okay. Also, I'm going to put this in my deluxe cover. So the Happy Planner does not like make these anymore. Sometimes you can like randomly find them on clearance in Michael's or something if they randomly found some, but I still have mine. I would have loved to have gotten more. At the time, I wasn't really like a fan, but now that they are not available anymore, I wish I would have gotten more. You know what I'm saying? Okay, these sticker sheets, I'm gonna stick in here. And then here are some sticker sheets that I got with, it with this extension pack. So I've been using a lot of these quotes. Okay, so put that in there. I also have this small seasonal sticker book. It's just 90 pieces, 5 sheets. So I was thinking of putting that in here. And I also wanted to keep my washi book in here. I wonder, let me see. Wonder if I could stick it in the back. I mean, it's still gonna stick out. Let me see if I like it. I don't know. I don't know. What should I do? I think I am gonna keep this in here though. So that's Christmas. So those were the things I was thinking about including. I think that is going to do it. That means everything is put together. Wonder what I can include right here though. Here's some green sticky notes. I don't know. Maybe I can just pull maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 off and stick them down here. So now I have some sticky notes. So that's really good. I'm happy with that. The rest of my 12 days of planning, I'm going to be probably showing this in every single video. It's where I'm going to be popping in everything that I make. But I can't tell you about it because that would spoil the surprise. Last year, let me show this. I made this. And I have a video for it. But I think I want to put it up here at the front because I want to look at it. But this is the wrapping paper that I bought last year to wrap all the gifts. I love black and white check. I think it's like so much fun. Buffalo check. And this is like my favorite font. I love that calligraphy. So I made a page of it. And then I made this countdown to Christmas thing. And I put a few things like send Christmas cards, hang the mistletoe, caroling, hot cocoa, stuff like that. But I never did fill out these days. So I'm going to kind of use it again this year. I think it's adorable and love it with these discs. That's so stinking cute. So, all right, everything is in here. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know which Christmas extension pack you have, because there are other ones as well that I never did get my hands on, but I definitely want to hear about which ones you guys have. So let me know in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.